everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute mobile pouch. For this crochet tutorial we need 4.5 mm crochet hook, scissors, tapestry needle and yarn. I'm using baby pink coral yarn for this crochet tutorial. Let's start with a slip knot. Then make chain of 17. The length of the chain should proportionate to your form. After that, make single crochet in every stitch. I will start single crochet from the end of the row, which is opposite part of the chain. Then continue again with single crochet and complete the row. After finishing the round, join the first stitch with slip stitch. We start second round by making chain 1 and single crochet all over the round. End of the round, join with the first stitch with slip stitch. And again chain 1. Okay, we have to make total 26 and half row. We have to make total 26 and half row like this. Now we made total 26 row and half row. Then make 3 single crochet. One half double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet in the stitch after that. One treble crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1 and pick out. One treble crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet in the stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. Then 3 single crochet again. Again half double crochet in the stitch after that. Double crochet in the next stitch. Treble crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1 and pick out. Treble crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet in the same stitch and half double crochet in the next stitch. And complete the round with single crochet. End of the round, join with the first stitch with slip stitch. And cut the yarn. Secure the yarn. I made the eyes with French knot using of black yarn and nose with purple yarn. So guys, here is our final look of this cute mobile pouch. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe.